Hi guys, it's Jessie Marie. Thanks for watching. And tonight I'm here to show you some more awesome products. These are by Nutri. This is their Amazon-less vegan hair products, and they're made with coconut oil and jojoba oil, and they're perfect for smooth, extreme shine. Now, I've only been using them for a short amount of time, probably about a week or so now, and I'm already seeing results. My hair is so much shinier, so much smoother. I had severe split ends and just very brittle, damaged hair. I'm long overdue for a hair color, but I wanted to wait until I got to test these products and see and feel the results before I colored it again. And my hair hasn't felt this healthy in years. And I've tried so many different hair products, shampoos, conditioners, hair masks, treatments, everything. And nothing has made my hair feel this smooth, soft, and just refreshed than these products. And now on to the products. First we have the purifying shampoo, and this is an easy one. You just apply like you would a normal shampoo, apply to your entire head of hair, foam into a nice rich lather, and then rinse. You may repeat the process if and as needed. And then we move on to our reconstructive mask. Now with this, same thing, similar to a conditioner. You just want to apply, massage into a nice foamy lather, wash, repeat if needed. And lastly, our thermal active mask. Now with this one, you apply to clean dry hair, wait 5 minutes, and then rinse. These are on my Amazon list. They are on my skin and self-care product list. So check it out. Again, Nutri, Amazon-less hair care. Thanks for watching.